Creating pallet projects to start a small business in woodworking offers a multitude of advantages that make it an appealing venture for aspiring artisans and entrepreneurs. The use of pallets as a primary material is particularly advantageous due to their accessibility and affordability. Many businesses discard wooden pallets after use, making them readily available for pickup or purchase at minimal cost. This low barrier to entry allows budding woodworkers to acquire materials without significant financial investment, which is especially crucial for those just starting their journey in woodworking. By repurposing these pallets, artisans can not only create beautiful and functional pieces, but also contribute to sustainability by reducing waste and promoting the recycling of materials. This eco-friendly aspect resonates with today's consumers, who are increasingly drawn to products that reflect their values and commitment to environmental responsibility. As artisans craft unique items from pallets, they can effectively market their creations as sustainable, appealing to a growing demographic that prioritizes green products. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of pallet project ideas to start a small business for woodworkers. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The versatility of pallets as a material further enhances their appeal in crafting various projects. Artisans can transform pallets into a wide array of items, ranging from furniture such as coffee tables, chairs, and benches to home decor items like wall art, shelves, and planters. This versatility allows woodworkers to explore their creativity and develop a diverse product line that caters to different consumer tastes and needs. Whether creating rustic farmhouse-style furniture or modern minimalist designs, the adaptability of pallet wood enables artisans to experiment with various styles and techniques, ultimately honing their skills and expanding their craftsmanship. As artisans become more proficient in working with pallets, they can develop signature styles that set them apart in a competitive market, establishing a unique brand identity that resonates with customers. Moreover, creating pallet projects can serve as an excellent foundation for a small business, as the initial investment in materials is relatively low compared to other woodworking ventures. This affordability allows artisans to allocate resources toward marketing, branding, and other essential aspects of launching a business, rather than being burdened by high material costs. As artisans gain experience and confidence in their craft, they can gradually scale their operations, reinvesting profits into the business to explore larger projects or higher quality materials. This organic growth model fosters a sense of achievement and motivation, encouraging artisans to continuously improve their skills and expand their product offerings. In addition to the financial advantages, creating pallet projects fosters a sense of community and connection among artisans and their customers. Many woodworkers engage with local markets, craft fairs, and online platforms to showcase their creations, allowing them to interact directly with potential buyers. This engagement not only helps artisans build relationships with customers, but also provides valuable feedback that can inform future designs and products. As they share their passion for woodworking and sustainability, artisans can cultivate a loyal customer base that appreciates the care and craftsmanship behind each piece. This community aspect can be particularly rewarding, as artisans often find inspiration and support from fellow makers, forming networks that encourage collaboration and the sharing of ideas. Furthermore, the process of creating pallet projects offers numerous opportunities for skill development and personal growth. As artisans work with pallets, They learn essential woodworking techniques such as cutting, sanding, assembling, and finishing, which can be applied to future projects. This hands-on experience not only enhances their technical abilities, but also fosters problem-solving skills, as artisans often encounter challenges that require creative solutions. The satisfaction derived from overcoming obstacles and successfully completing projects can boost confidence and motivate artisans to take on increasingly complex designs. As they refine their skills, artisans can explore advanced techniques such as joinery, staining, and distressing, expanding their repertoire and elevating the quality of their work. The marketing potential of pallet projects is another significant advantage for small woodworking businesses. Given the growing popularity of DIY culture and sustainable living, there is a substantial market for handmade, upcycled items. Artisans can leverage social media platforms to showcase their creations, sharing behind-the-scenes glimpses of their crafting process while engaging with potential customers. This direct interaction allows artisans to build a brand presence and connect with a community of like-minded individuals who appreciate quality craftsmanship and sustainable practices. By effectively utilizing social media and online marketplaces, artisans can reach a wider audience, increasing their visibility and sales potential. Additionally, the storytelling aspect of pallet projects can further enhance their appeal. Artisans can share the journey of their materials, the inspiration behind their designs, and the care that goes into each piece, fostering an emotional connection with consumers. Moreover, creating pallet projects can be a rewarding and fulfilling endeavor, both personally and professionally. The act of transforming discarded materials into beautiful, functional objects provides a sense of accomplishment that can enhance overall well-being. Engaging in woodworking can be a therapeutic outlet, offering a welcome escape from the stresses of everyday life. As artisans immerse themselves in the creative process, they develop a meditative practice that promotes mindfulness and relaxation. The joy of crafting something unique and meaningful can lead to improved mental health and a greater sense of purpose, making the journey of starting a small business in woodworking all the more fulfilling. The advantages of creating pallet projects to start a small woodworking business are numerous and impactful. From the accessibility and affordability of materials to the versatility and sustainability that pallets offer, artisans have the opportunity to craft unique, beautiful items while contributing to a more environmentally responsible marketplace. The relatively low initial investment, coupled with the potential for skill development and community engagement, makes pallet projects an ideal starting point for aspiring woodworkers. As artisans navigate the challenges and rewards of building a small business, they can cultivate their creativity, establish a loyal customer base, and find personal fulfillment in the art of woodworking. Ultimately, the journey of creating pallet projects not only opens doors to financial opportunity, but also fosters a deeper connection to craftsmanship, community, and sustainability, making it a gratifying pursuit for those who choose to embark on it. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked pallet project ideas to start a small business for woodworkers. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.